Hello, legal professionals and students. Welcome back to Legal Dwar. Today we'll explore the About 7, preference shares, issue and redemption. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest updates. Transfer of shares involves the change of ownership from one shareholder to another. This section outlines the procedural steps for transferring shares, providing insights into the documentation and processes involved in facilitating a smooth transfer. Example: in India, the transfer of shares requires the execution of a share transfer deed, which must be properly stamped and executed by both the transferor and transferee. Legal implications and documentation. Transferring shares has legal implications that companies and shareholders must consider. This part delves into the legal aspects surrounding share transfers, emphasizing the importance of accurate documentation to ensure the validity of the transfer. Example: companies must verify the legality of the transfer deed and ensure compliance with statutory requirements to avoid any legal challenges in the future. Transmission of securities. Transmission of securities occurs in situations such as the death of a shareholder, necessitating a change in ownership. This section provides an understanding of the concept of transmission and the circumstances under which it is invoked. Example: upon the death of a shareholder, transmission allows the legal heirs or beneficiaries to inherit the shares without undergoing the usual transfer process. Legal processes and requirements. Transmission involves specific legal processes and requirements that must be followed. This part outlines the legal procedures companies need to adhere to when facilitating the transmission of securities due to changes in shareholder status. Example: legal heirs may be required to provide documents such as a death certificate, probate of the will, or a succession certificate to facilitate the transmission of shares. Understanding the intricacies of transferring and transmitting securities is essential for companies, shareholders, and legal professionals involved in corporate transactions. In the subsequent sections, we will explore the legal dimensions of share buybacks, the dematerialization and rematerialization of shares, and the reduction of share capital. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with others who may benefit and consider subscribing for more valuable legal insights.